Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block shows on Disney+. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Disney+, within which you can log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged into your account, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and this will open up the drop-down menu. Now within the drop-down menu, tap on Edit Profiles and you will be taken to the profile page. Tap on the pen icon underneath the profile for which you want to block some shows and then scroll down within the profile and you will find Junior Mode within Parental Controls. Now you can tap on the Content Rating option and you can choose the age limit that you want to set for this user, which will block specific contents above that age limit. You can choose your desired option for this user and then tap on the Save button, and based upon your content rating, various shows will be blocked. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want to change the settings, and you can also turn on Junior Mode if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block shows for an account on Disney+. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.